Are you looking for the best budget automatic watches in Europe? In the world of affordable mechanical timekeeping, budget automatic watches offer a rare blend of traditional horology, daily wear practicality, and accessible pricing. For many enthusiasts, an automatic movement represents a promise of craftsmanship without the premium price tag. This review examines 5 budget options available in Europe that span quartz-inflected reliability.
Product number 1. Citizen Men's Automatic Siyosa Sport Luxury Watch. Overview. The Citizen NJ0150-56X is positioned as a sport luxury entry in the automatic segment. It features a stainless steel case and bracelet with a 40mm diameter and 11.7mm thickness and a green dial under a sapphire crystal. The movement is automatic, and the watch offers 50 meters of water resistance, a push-button fold-over clasp, and a stationary stainless steel bezel. While the price sits at the higher end of this list, Citizen's pedigree and reliable automatic platforms and sapphire crystal adds a tangible premium in scratch resistance and long-term durability. The watch's balanced case size and classic aesthetic make it a versatile daily wear suitable for business casual to sportier environments. Performance-wise, the NJ0150-56X delivers a smooth crown-winding experience and expected automatic accuracy from a reputable brand, with sapphire protection ensuring clarity and reduced risk of scratches on the crystal. The 50-meter water resistance is adequate for everyday splashes and incidental immersion, but not for swimming. The green dial adds a distinctive look that differentiates it from more conservative sports watches, while the 22mm bracelet width supports a substantial presence on the wrist. Users who value brand heritage.
Product number 2. Fossil Men's Grant Quartz Stainless Steel. Overview. The Fossil Grant in a brown leather strap brings a classic, mid-size 44mm stainless steel case with a beige dial and Roman numeral markers. This model is powered by a mechanical automatic movement, offering a traditional analog experience with a chronograph-style aesthetic. The leather strap and Roman numerals evoke a vintage-inspired vibe, making it suitable for smart casual wear and semi-formal settings. It sits in the upper middle of the price spectrum in this lineup, delivering a blend of style and mechanical appeal. Performance and use case analysis highlight the watch's visual identity and complement of leather with a robust 44mm footprint. The 165 feet, or 50 meters, water resistance provides basic splash protection, while the automatic movement ensures self-winding operation with wear. The 22mm brown leather strap and weight, 2.68 ounces, contribute to a comfortable and balanced wear. However, the case is relatively large for some wrists, and the 2017 model year implies older movement architecture that may not include the most current efficiency or longevity improvements found in newer lines. It shines as a stylish daily driver with nostalgic appeal rather than a rugged.
Product number 3. Tacto Spect Overview. The Tacto SP0008 is a 42mm automatic watch built with a Miyota 8215 movement, featuring a rubber strap and a robust sport-oriented construction. The watch emphasizes a practical, tool-like approach, with water resistance suitable for daily activity and sport usage. While the price remains well within budget, the inclusion of a Miyota 8215 movement signals reliability and accessible parts availability. The rubber strap and deployment clasp add to comfort and secure wear during active use. In terms of performance and user experience, the Miyota 8215 is known for dependable, no-frills reliability, though it may not be as precise as higher-end calibers. The 42mm case and rubber strap make it comfortable for sports and outdoor activities, while legibility should be adequate in most lighting conditions due to contrasting dial elements. This watch is best suited for users who want a straightforward automatic with a sporty.
Product number 4. Mastop Men's Classic Automatic Mechanical Day Calendar Luxury Leather Band Watch. Overview. The Mastop MASAT077-Brown represents the budget-class mechanical dress option, featuring a classic calendar complication and a brown leather strap. The design cues lean toward a traditional, refined aesthetic, suitable for office wear and formal occasions. The watch emphasizes classic mechanical movement and a leather band as its core appeal, offering a value proposition for those who want a dress watch with date functionality without a hefty price tag. Performance-wise, the leather strap and simple dial suggest a comfortable, everyday wear profile with a focus on readability and elegance rather than sportiness. The calendar function adds practical utility for daily scheduling, while the automatic movement provides a traditional timekeeping experience. With a lower price, there may be compromises in finishing and robustness compared to more premium models.
Product number 5. Vigoroso Men's Sport Day-Date Black Leather Automatic Self-Winding Watch. Overview. The Vigoroso WE i 4520 targets price-sensitive buyers who still want an automatic self-winding experience with a day-date complication. It comes with a black leather strap and a straightforward dial layout. This model is the most budget-friendly option in the lineup, aggressively priced at $27.98, making it an entry point into automatic watches. The watch emphasizes practical daily wear with essential features and a clean, utilitarian appearance. Performance-wise, the watch offers typical automatic winding reliability for its class, with the day-date function providing extra everyday usefulness. The black leather strap and simple dial design deliver legibility and a versatile look for casual and work environments. Given its price point, expectations should be managed regarding materials and finishing. The watch prioritizes value and function over premium.